So as you can clearly see, we are carrying our positions forward because we have made a loss of about negative 47,000 today, because I was expecting a clear downward movement from 44,100. But against my expectations, in that 10 minutes, Bank Nifty has moved up by almost 150 points sharply towards the upside, and I'm keeping this position open for tomorrow so that I can tomorrow in intraday can average this position. Even though Bank Nifty is going to open a gap up or gap down, irrespective of what the market price may be, I will go and average my position with higher quantities, and then I'll get out in a profit or maybe a loss of about negative 25,000 to negative 30,000 is what I'm expecting. So let's see what is going to happen with Bank Nifty tomorrow, and jump right into the video and see how my trades went for the day and also where I did wrong. So I wouldn't say that I have done something wrong today. This is completely a good trade according to me. So let's see what is going to happen tomorrow in the market. And also please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get our video prompts on a timely basis. So thanks for watching again. So jump right into the video. Yeah. Good morning. This is 6 June 2023 and it's 10:35 a.m. in the morning. As you can see here, market is opened on a gap up, and the gap has been filled in the first 5-minute candle itself. And it tried to move up till 44,189, and what we can see is a double top formation at that point, and then Bank Nifty tried to move down to almost 44,056, and I've already executed a trade which is trading at a negative of about negative 1,580. So the trade is 15th June, 44,000 PE, 350 quantities at 282.49, because when market gave this red big candle, I have gone for a buy in the PE, and now the idea is once we get the market back to this trend line, or once we get the market back to 44,100 to 44,120, we will go for an average with another 250 to 300 quantities, which will put us into good profits as well. So this is how my PN looks like, and the idea behind the trade is gap filling of the previous day. So from here, Bank Nifty, if breaking down, will go down to 43,971, and if that is also broken, then gap filling, which will happen till 43,880 if the major trend line is broken. So this is the view that we have in mind for the day. So you can see that Bank Nifty has gone up to 44,096, which has been a very good level in the previous days as well. So my position has gone up to a profit of about 3,500, 3,900, and now if this low is broken, which is at 1025, then we can expect market to further go down to fill the gap, or maybe till 44,090. So looking at the OI, we can see that Bank Nifty has a good put OI build up at 44,000, which means it can go up as well from that level. So we'll see which is the right opportunity, and we'll average our position likewise. So this is how my PNL looks like. So I'm going to add another 200 quantities to the current contract. Any which ways, I'm seeing a slight reversal from this level, but if it is not reversing, then we can expect a further downward movement. So I'm going for a buy at 292 or whatever the current market price is. I'm going for 200 quantities. My current average is 282. When buying, it has gone up to 286. So yeah, we have a total of 550 quantities. These are my orders. This is what market looks like right now. So market has reversed from 44,009, which again can be considered as 44,000. So from there, exactly from the point which was respected on 2nd June at 1510. So from there, market has moved up to 44,100, which will be another resistance if it is not broken and sustained. Wait. So we'll just look into the open interest as well. Looking into the open interest, we can see that 44,100 has good call OI build up again, but if put is building up and if it is crossing above call OI, then we can expect a further upward movement. But until then, I don't feel that Bank Nifty is going to go further high. Or if Bank Nifty goes up, the next level would be 44,130, wherein we'll be averaging the position with another 500 quantities. So RSI also is going to be around 70, which means there can be a reversal from any of the zones around 44,100 and 44,130. So we'll see how market reacts, and we'll go for the average accordingly. So there is a tight consolidation between 44,050 and 44,100. If this zone of 44,066 is broken, and if it is sustained below 44,052, is where we can expect a further downward movement to 44,000. Until then, we don't have a view towards the lower side, because put is trying to go above call. So maybe we will see a further upward movement till 44,030, and then we might see a reversal. And if that is broken, then we'll see Bank Nifty touching the above trend line or maybe day high. If day high is not broken, then we'll get a very good selling opportunity at around 2 o'clock or 1:45, or maybe around 2:30, wherein we can average our position with another 500 quantities, which will take us to good profits. So this is the view for now. None of the trend lines would work for the day. I mean, intraday trend lines won't work for the day, as it has been broken multiple times. So let's just wait for new trend formation, or else there is this one trend that can be valid for now, which is the trend line which I have plotted now. So if that is broken and if it is retested, then there can be a steady fall to 44,000 is what I believe. So this is how my PNL looks like. It's time for averaging again. So from a low of about 44,009, it has moved up to the next high, which has been respected at around 12:30, which is an important time as well as an important support, which is previous days one important level where there was good demand. So we can see that it is consolidating at this point, but I'm sure this is going to break above. So this is the best price that I can buy is, but I believe. So I'll go for another 350 quantities. No, I'll go for 400 quantities. Let me see. Yeah, I'll go for 400 quantities, and I'll average it at 248. So probably my average price will come down to 270 or maybe a bit higher than that. So I'll just wait for this to come down to maybe 245, so that I can get the right move. So probably this can take a stop around any of these levels around here. That is between any of these levels can be a resistance for Bank Nifty in intraday. So we'll go for this much quantities. We'll go for a small buy. Yes. So we have averaged 400 quantities at 251. So 282, 292, 251. Our second averaging was not a great idea. So we can see that in positions we have 950 quantities, and the average is 271, which is not that far away. So I hope we'll end up in a good profits in today's market. Yep, let's see. So this is the orders. As you can see, we have deployed almost 2,57,000 rupees in this trade. So let's see what's going to happen, because if this is falling down from here, then we can see a massive fall towards the lower side of around 44.59. If that is broken, then 44,020 is the support that we can expect next. Against our expectations, we were expecting the Bank Nifty will fall down from 44,100. What you can see is a straight upward movement from that level, breaking above the resistance zone that we have drawn here. So the trend line has also been broken, and we have seen Bank Nifty going up to yesterday's high, but not till yesterday's high, but almost till yesterday's high, which is around 44,250. And this is how my PNL looks like. I will anyway carry this forward for tomorrow, so that even if Bank Nifty is opening on gap up also, or gap down also, I'll push my trade with more quantities, and I'll get out in a nominal loss as well. Maybe a loss of about 30,000 is what I'm expecting tomorrow. If not, we'll see what is going to happen with Bank Nifty tomorrow, and decide our trades accordingly. So again, we are saying that we are not SEBI registered analysts, and these are for educational purposes only. You can take all these levels from this trade or from the chart as a reference for your trade. So the next levels that we have to expect from Bank Nifty is from above 44,275 will be 44,400 and then 44,500, and if it is going down, then 44,100, 43,971, and all the trend lines here, and then finally 43,795. So these are the levels, important levels that you have to look forward to. And also today's low is one important level that has been respecting the previous days as well, exactly as I thought. I was expecting a downward movement, but again it moved up from that level is what we have to say. So yeah, that's all for the day. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.